Wow!
Okay.
Okay.
Pick the name of your judge. We're gonna, your question.
EA.
Okay. Miss EA. Your question, please.
Wala akong matanong eh. Wala akong maisip.
Okay. Miss Hyacinth. Ang judge na may...
May para na sarili habang nag-start.
O, sige na. Ano?
O sige, magtatanong ako ng Tagalog.
Ah.
Sasagutin mo na.
German. German sinabi.
Sige, Germanin mo.
Kumuulog ba may
Ano?
Sitem. Ito. Ano ba? Yun. Kung mamamatay ka at mabubuhay ka muli, ano ang gusto mong isang bagay na maging ikaw? At bakit?
dito sa kaliwanagan? Okay. Thank you for that news, Rascal. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, since I was a child, my father told me that never talk to the stranger. Since you are a stranger, I will never answer your question. Thank you.
Asan si Raymond?